Anyone got any questions? Yes.
So if you're in a supermarket and let's just say you're looking at avocados and it says organic from, would it be better to eat an organic from Mexico or conventional from the United States?
Great question. It depends what the food is. When it comes to organic versus non-organic, like avocados, I would eat non-organic. If it's leafy greens, I always choose organic. But in general, I'd much rather have local than organic. I'd have local non-organic than from another country.
So anything from
Organic.
so if you can get it local, it's okay to get it conventional.
No, it's not.
Oh.
I'm saying if I had a choice between the two, I still think local. Local is great for several reasons. They're most likely picking it right, or not as unlikely as if they're shipping it from somewhere. It's better for the environment, but for my own body in general, it's probably better than not better. For example, a farmer's market might not be organic, but I'd rather go to a farmer's market than get organic produce from another country. But I'm not going to eat leafy greens, unorganic anywhere.
And avocados, you would choose the organic from Mexico?
No, avocados, because I know, think about what foods were grown in a tree that need as little, that the bugs affect as least as possible. And there's a list in my book about the organic standards which they affect the least. Like cucumbers and spinach are the most.
Is there a dozen lists?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
So I would do unorganic avocados locally instead of doing organic from another country.
Thank you.